Ready to unlock the doors to the wizarding world? Here we go. Welcome to the Harry Potter Warner Brothers studio tour where magic comes to life. From the moment you step into the Great Hall, you'll feel like a Hogwarts student. Wander through Diagon Alley, where Ollivanders and Weasley's wizard wheezes await. Discover the secrets behind iconic sets, like the Gryffindor common room and Dumbledore's office. Ever tried a butterbeer? Now's your chance. Marvel at the intricate details of the Forbidden Forest. And face Aragog if you dare. Witness the artistry behind the costumes and props, from Hermione's Time Turner to the Marauders map. And don't miss the breathtaking model of Hogwarts itself, a true masterpiece of magic and craftsmanship. So grab your broomstick and let's soar through the world of Harry Potter. Adventure awaits around every corner. Ready to explore? Your magical journey starts now.